This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia. Day 8 starts on the bank of the Huab River. We are heading downstream, but Ben wants to do a bit of exploring along the way. We need to leave the river and head north, but there is no clear track on our maps. We need to cross that expanse. We will have to head back down the way we came, and then follow the river downstream a bit further before turning north. It's almost 5 o'clock. We've been driving for hours across the upper plains. Then we came down this tributary and then crossed the road going north. But as you can see, the road has problems. This is C-35, the main highway north in the Skeleton Coast National Park. Here sand dunes move with the winds and ignore the road boundaries. At the Hunkab, we exit the highway and enter the riverbed heading upstream. We're camped in the dunes, Skeleton Coast National Park. Ben is loading up the car. We are the only customers of the Skeleton Coast National Park today.
Yes, we've been charging too long our batteries and GPS last night. I got my new nice little device with 15,000 milliamperes. I hope this is going to do the job.
This morning we were on the coast. By midday we are approaching the Huanib River and scary memories from the past. Back when we camped here in 2013, we didn't know that 3 lions had made this waterhole their exclusive dinner spot. As we got closer to the Huanib River, the vegetation increased, as did the wildlife. Fresh elephant droppings? It reminds me of 2013 when we were here and came across a herd of desert elephants dusting.
Well, dust storm. Not sure if there's more dust inside or outside.
From the lion camp, we made our way up the Huanib River and out to the town of Sesfontein. We were told that the diesel truck might arrive in a few days, so we checked out the old German fort, now a lodge, for accommodation options in their defunct campground.